Good morning, guys. In the last video, we have seen the basics of function, how to declare a function and how to call a function, and a simple example for functions. And also we have seen that what are the four categories of function. In today's section, we'll see a detail in about categories of function. Yeah, a function categories are divided into four. First one is no argument, no return values. Second one, argument but no return values. Third one, no argument with return values. And the fourth one is with arguments and with return values. So here we can see a simple example of the function categories. This is the example of no argument, no return values. This is the simple example for that. Here we have written that first one is hash include stdio.h, which is the header file in a C function. And next one is the void add. So this is the function. Void is the return type of a function and add is a function name. So after that we have declared a main function which has the void main. And next we have declared a three variables int a comma b comma c. These are the three variables which is used to add two numbers and get the result in the third variable. And next we have called a function called add. So when we are calling a function body will be executed. And after that we have given that printf enter two numbers. So here we are getting two values from the user. Printf main ends here. Next one is the scanf. So scanf, in scanf, this is the syntax for scanf, that is a %d. This is we are getting a two integer values and we are saving that in the a and b variable. And next one is we are calling a function called add, and after that we are adding two numbers a plus b and we are saving the values in c. And after that we are printing the sum value which is stored in the C. So this is the simple example of no argument and no return values. In this program we have not passed any argument to a function and a function is not going to return any value. That is the void add. So next we are going to see a same example for with argument but no return values. So as usual header files, and next one is the void add. This is the function, and inside the function we have passed the argument, that is int comma int, which is the arguments of the function which is of type integer. And next one is the main function. We have declared a main function, and inside a main function we have declared two variables int x comma y to get two variables to perform addition. And we are getting printf enter two numbers. The user is going to enter two numbers. Our numbers are going to be stored in the x and y. And next we are performing a addition. To perform a addition we are calling a function called add. So while adding a function, when calling a function called add, we are passing two arguments, which is one is the int a comma int b, which will pass the values of x and y to a function called add, and it performs the addition, and the c value will be, the addition value will be displayed. So this is the simple example of a category with arguments but no return values. With arguments which is nothing but a void add int a comma int b. So next one is the return statement. The return statement is used to return from a function. It causes execution to return to a point at which the call to a function was made. The return statement can have a value with it which it returns to a program. So thank you. By this we'll end this section. The remaining section will be seen in the next video. Thank you guys.